How to install RedNote on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install RedNote on your Android device. It's a very easy process, so let's dive right in. As I don't have it installed in my device, but in your device, if you want to install your RedNote app, just long press on the app and drag it like this and install it. That's the way you install any app on your Android device. You can also go to settings. Go to settings. Here, tap on apps and notifications. Again, tap on apps. Scroll down until you see RedNote on your device, and if it's installed on your device, simply tap on RedNote. As I don't have it installed in my device, I will just show one example from here. Just tap on it and you can see uninstall right here. You'll be seeing uninstall in the same place in RedNote app. Simply tap on uninstall and confirm it by tapping on OK, and that's the way the RedNote will be deleted and uninstalled from your device. If you ever want to get it back, you can reinstall it anytime from the Google Play Store. And that's it. If this video helped, give us a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.